Ever wondered what digital marketing really is? A trendy buzzword that's been floating around for a while? Or maybe a term that seems a little too technical? Well, buckle up because we're about to decipher the enigma that is digital marketing. Imagine a bustling marketplace filled with traders, buyers, and all sorts of products. Now visualize this market in a digital world, a world without geographical boundaries. This world is where digital marketing thrives. It's a platform where businesses use digital channels to reach out to and connect with their customers. But what are these digital channels? Well, they're the components of digital marketing. They include search engines, social media, email, and websites. Each of these channels plays a unique role in the digital marketing ecosystem. Think of search engines as the highways that lead customers to businesses. They use a process known as search engine optimization, or SEO, to ensure businesses appear on the first page of search results. SEO is the art of making a business visible to its online audience. Now let's move on to social media, the virtual cafes where people hang out and share their thoughts. Businesses use social media marketing to engage with their audience, build relationships, and promote their products or services. It's like having a friendly chat with customers over a cup of virtual coffee. Next in line is email, the digital version of traditional mail. Email marketing is all about sending personalized messages to a group of people who have expressed interest in a business. It's like sending a friendly letter to a customer, offering them the latest deals or updates. Lastly, we have websites, the digital storefronts for businesses. Websites are crucial for digital marketing as they provide a place for customers to learn about the business, its products or services, and even make purchases. So there we have it. Digital marketing, in essence, is the use of digital channels to reach out to and connect with customers. It's about being where the customers are and engaging with them on their terms. To recap, the key components of digital marketing are search engines, social media, email, and websites. Search engines drive traffic, social media engages and builds relationships, email provides personalized communication, and websites act as digital storefronts. It's a wide, interconnected world where businesses and customers meet, interact, and transact. So the next time someone asks you about digital marketing, remember it's not just a buzzword. It's a dynamic, evolving field that's reshaping the way businesses engage with their customers. It's the marketplace of the digital age, and now you're a part of it too.